Hi, welcome to the Motown India show. My name is Nitin Koshi and today we have with us the Rompus Plus by Nexzu. So what's this Rompus Plus all about? Well, it's a cycle, but it's an electric cycle. You can definitely pedal your way and keep going forward, but eventually you will get tired. And when you do get tired, this offers options. You have an electric mode and you can start off perhaps in the pedelec mode. Now in the pedelec mode, you pedal a little bit and then you just let it go. The bike will take care of the rest. But in case you don't want to pedal, you could just press the throttle and keep going. Just chill on the bike. The bike has 3 different speed modes and it can go at a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. So just throttle away and chill on your bike, have fun.
The Rompus Plus e-bicycle from Nexzu Mobility is almost a plain Jane cycle with practicality written all over it. Come to think of it, today cycling as a fad has caught on big time, especially when the lockdowns happened because of the pandemic. So people got into the habit of cycling around the localities to keep themselves fit. But like all fads, be it cycling or going to the gymnasium, it is very difficult to sustain that healthy habit. Imagine if you were staying in Delhi and you started off early morning from your house in South Delhi to the India Gate. Initially you will find the weather pleasant and the journey invigorating, but the moment you cover a few kilometers you realize that all this strenuous pedaling is not your cup of tea. That's where the Rompus Plus e-bike comes in as a breath of fresh air. The Rompus Plus 3-speed e-bike is a decently styled product. I was particularly impressed by its overall build and quality. In fact, the way it came packed in a box and the ease with which I could assemble it at home demonstrates its overall simplicity. The company has done a great job when it comes to its paint. The paint seems to be of superior quality and has a distinct shine on it. Since it is an electric bike, it has an in-frame 36 volts 5.2 ampere lithium-ion battery. The battery is tucked away neatly in its frame. The charging point is somewhere at the bottom of the bike near the base of the left pedal. The battery can be fully charged in just 2.5 to 3 hours. With a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, it also comes with an auto cutoff feature. The frame of the e-cycle is made of cold roll steel alloy. The handlebar has a digital panel which consists of an on-off button, a 4-light battery charge level indicator, ride mode button with indicators and 6 kilometers walk mode button. It also has an inbuilt horn and headlights. The e-cycle has 26 inches tire with durable front suspension and dual disc brakes. With 18 months warranty for the motor and battery, the Rompus Plus is the first electric to be born out of the company's new factory in Chakan, Pune in the state of Maharashtra. The Rompus Plus is priced at Rs 31,983. This price includes all basic accessories. To begin with, the Rompus Plus e-bike has no fancy speed gears. Riding cycles with gears requires a lot of expertise, and if you are to go wrong with engaging the right gear at the right speed, you can end up damaging the bicycle. None of that hassle here with the Rompus Plus e-bike. The best part is that the cycle is electric, thus no matter how tired you are, you can always engage the e-mode and cruise along. Thus, there are different ways to ride the e-bike. One is the conventional way where you huff and puff and pedal with all your strength to wherever you need to go. Once you realize you have done with all that strenuous pedaling, you can switch on the e-mode by pressing the on-off button on the digital panel on the left of the handlebar. The moment you switch on the button, you get to see the battery power indicator lights glow. There are 4 levels. Thus, if all 4 lights are glowing, it means the e-bike is 100% charged. You can now get into the pedelec mode. In this mode, you are not fully electric. You do not use the throttle at all, but all you do is pedal a bit and the lithium-ion battery sends its power to the motor to help you cruise along. Thus, pedelec is a combination of manual pedaling and electric mode. The pedelec mode is the best of both the worlds. You do a bit of pedaling and use a bit of energy from the motor. In the pedelec mode, you can travel as much as 35 kilometers on a single charge of the battery. Then you have the fully electric mode. You need not press any extra button, but you can simply stop pedaling and use the throttle on the right side of the handlebar. Hey presto, your bicycle now becomes something of an electric scooter. The electric mode is very interesting. Here the maximum range in ideal conditions is around 25 kilometers and the top speed is also 25 kilometers per hour. The 3-speed e-bike can be adjusted for low, medium and high speeds. When you set the speed to high mode, the battery uses up more of its juice. Interestingly, on the display panel, you also get to see a button with 6 kilometers written on it. Well, that is like a creep mode in a car. In this e-bike, this is a walk mode button. When does one use this? Suppose you want to walk with the bike and you do not want to exert pushing and nudging your bike along. Here the bike keeps moving at 6 kilometers per hour speed on its own. All you have to do is to catch its handle and walk along with it. You can just press the button and walk alongside the bicycle as it moves at a walking pace. This mode also comes handy when you have a puncture and it's obvious you cannot sit on it and ride it. Pulling along a punctured bike to the wayside puncher guy too is a strenuous exercise. This walk mode comes handy in such situations. There is also another important advantage of this walk mode. For example, if you're carrying too much luggage or cargo on this cycle, then using the walk mode, you can walk along with the bike with hardly any effort. Coming to the verdict, the Nexzu Rompus Plus e-bike is an uncomplicated bicycle, and with its electric prowess, it is also one of the most practical cycles in the country at a price that is very much affordable. The overall build and quality is a lot above average and seems easy to maintain. It's a fun bike that comes with decent suspension and brakes, not just for daily commute but also for the weekend trips. This e-bike is an ideal companion.